The core architecture components of MCP, the client or the server connector. Each client instance is created and managed by the host, so clients are kind of like plugins that are loaded by the host application. Its primary role is to establish and maintain an isolated, stateful one-on-one connection with a specific server. This is needed because one host application may need to concurrently connect to and use several MCP servers. What are its responsibilities? Some of the responsibilities of a client in MCP architecture is session management, which establishes and manages a single stateful session per server. Protocol negotiation handles the initial handshake, protocol version negotiating, and capability exchange with its connected server. Message routing routes the MCP messages bidirectionally between the host and its connected server. Subscriptions and notifications manages subscriptions to events that may be published by a server for context changes and handles the notifications coming from the server. Security boundaries maintains explicit security boundaries between itself and its server to ensure that the server cannot see into another or access unauthorized information. A client is like a dedicated secure phone line connecting the host to a specific specialized expert or the server.